Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover the preview option for document generation and how to manage document templates accordingly. We will cover the document output format options for preview and user action options. To begin, go to the gear, go to Tools, find the document generation option and click the gear next to that to open up the document generation settings. Here you will see the document templates that you have already uploaded to the project. I'll edit my new lead form as an example. Click on Next. Here you will see the options available to you in the document generation settings. I've already enabled the preview option. If it is not enabled, click on Add option and then select Preview. On the preview settings screen, be sure that preview is enabled. From here, you can choose your output format, either docx, viewable with Microsoft, Google, or Titan is recommended, or choose the output format PDF, and your conversion tool. Options are LibreOffice, Office 365, Titan 1, or Titan 2. I will leave this as PDF output format converted with Titan 1. For your viewing options, select the tools you wish to use in order to view the document. Your options are Microsoft, Google, Titan, or Titan Mini. I will leave this as Titan Recommended Viewer. In the zoom, here you can select options on fit to device or a percentage of zoom. I will leave this as fit to device. You can add an action button. This is a user action, essentially a custom button. Click on Add Action, give your button a label, My Action Button I will call this, and then click on Configure Action in order to add the action's activities. Let's say, for example, I just want to show a message. There are many things that you can do from here. Essentially, any of the actions in Titan, pushes to Salesforce, pop-up messages, setting tables, etc. Let's keep this simple. I just want to show a message. And I'll say my sample message goes here, like so. Finally, you can select the option to hide the download button. If you do not want users to download the document, I'll leave that unchecked. You can also optimize image quality for better performance. This is an option that you would select for a document that has a large number of images where load time is important to the user experience. I'll leave that out. Let's go ahead and click on Apply, and we'll close this. Save the document, and let's preview this and see how it looks. My form is open. I will click on my Preview Doc button. Here we see the document loading. This is loading in the Titan PDF viewer. It will load as a PDF using Titan as the conversion tool. The download button is there. The print button is there. Our document is generated with the information put in. And here is my custom action button. I click on it and that action runs. And that is how it's done.